straightness is the core indicator of linear guide way accuracy in production. Laser measuring equipment is used in conjunction with automatic straightening devices to detect and correct the bending deformation of the guide way segment by segment. After rigorous straightening, the straightness of the guide way leaving the factory exceeds the industry general standard, avoiding the phenomenon of creeping in long stroke equipment applications and ensuring smooth movement.